हेलो गाइज,
अब तो दिल्ली भाग जाएगी तुम। अरे हमको लगा उड़ाई। अब तो दिल्ली भाग जाएगी, दिल्ली खाएगी तो खाना है।
this is onion leaf. See, onion is under the soil. This is green onion and green leaf onion. Today I have came to field where the onion is grown. It is the
सुसु कर दी बेटी, सुसु कर दी।
part of
हाँ,
onion.
नाम लग रहा है, खोल देता।
See, and one thing I would like to show you is that
फोटो
the onion flower. This is the onion flower. Usually not, it's usually the onion flower is white in color, and through this onion flower, people abstract the seed of onion, and then again it is used for uh, growing. And usually since childhood we have thought that from where the onion is
वीडियो बनाना।
getting the seed bud. Today I am showing is that the onion seed is abstract from this flower, and sooner or later you will see all the flower will appear such that there is a small, and after that it will bloom. And the thing is that you have to keep it in field for long time, then only it can grow. And if the plant onions is uprooted in the early stage, the flower will not come. So to be flowered and to grow flower, it is necessary to be it in land, be it in farm for long time. So yeah, you can see here the flower is about to bloom, and sooner or later it will grow all the flowers and it will bloom. And after 15 to 20 days, after 50 to 20 days, you can get seed from that flower. And see, there is onion. See, onion stem. So just today all about the onion field. I know I couldn't able to explain the things in nice way, but yeah, I tried my best. I don't know the sound is perfect or not. It's because the tractor is moving here and there. Yeah, one. Okay, so I am going to show you one another flower that is here. See, here you will get tiny seed. Okay guys, bye bye, thank you.